In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to zoom in and out on DaVinci Resolve, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going to where you would like to zoom in. Now you're going to click on the clip and click on Inspector, and make sure it is on the video option. Now you're going to click on the diamond of Zoom, where you want it to zoom from. If you also need to change the position and you're not just zooming into the middle, you can also click the position diamond as well. You're then going to move to where you want it to end zooming in and click on the diamond once again. You're then going to change the value of your zoom. So for example, I'm just going to click 3 and it zooms right in. Now, as you can see, it starts and finishes where I placed it. Then, if you want to zoom out, you're going to do the same thing. Click where you want it to zoom out and go to the diamond. Then, click where you want it to be finished by and click the diamond once again and return it to the same value that you had before. And that's really all there is to it. As you can see, it zooms out from there. Make sure to change the position as well if you wanted to do that, but that's all there is to it. Zooms in, zooms out. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.